Shuprabhat bachcho, Namaskar. Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe. So, children, have you all completed the classwork notebook of the lesson number 4? That is Sangeet Priya Gadha, the musical donkey. Have you all completed, children? Okay. So, those who are not completed, complete it. Okay, children, don't keep the pending books, don't keep your work pending. Please complete the work on time and do the reading practice also. You should not think ma'am was not given any homework, ma'am was not telling read this thing, learn this thing. You should not think when I am giving the reading practice at the day only sit and read all the things. Okay. So today we are going to see the lesson number 5, that is Suraj Pari. Suraj means what? Sun. Here what are the things I had kept here on the screen? These are the sunflowers. Okay children. So Suraj, which means sun, Pari. Here sunflowers angel. Pari means angel. Okay children. So today we are going to see this lesson. Come, at first we'll see the hard words. After that we'll see the lesson. So this one is very interesting story children. This story is about that king, and the next that is Suraj Pari's story. Okay children. Come, we'll see at first what are the hard words we are having this lesson, and the next I'm going to explain this lesson. Okay children, come, we'll see the hard words. So first one is Rajkumar. Rajkumar means prince, you know. Rajkumar, Raja ka putra, which means prince. Next Ghani. Ghani means dense. Okay children, Ghani means what? Dense, Gahari. Next Vishram. Vishram means rest. Vishram means what? Rest. Next, Suryast. Suryast means sunset. Sunset, Suryast in Hindi. Sundar. You know this meaning. Sundar means what? Beautiful. Pasand. Pasand means desire. Like also we can call here in this chapter Pasand. According to that, Pasand meaning is desire. Okay. Next, Adrishya. Adrishya means disappear. Adrishya means disappear. Next, shock. Shock means hobby. Shock means what? Hobby. Sheetal. Already this one came in the first poem, first lesson. Kavita is there, no? So in that it came, no? Sheetal. Sheetal jal ka pani. Like that sentence had came. So Sheetal means cool. Cool water. Here Sheetal means cool. Next, Achanak. Achanak means suddenly. Achanak means what? Suddenly. Yuvati. Yuvati means young girl. Yuvati means young girl. Next, Shadi. Shadi means marriage. Shadi means marriage. Next, Manzoor. Manzoor means accept. Manzoor means accept. Next one is Mukt. Mukt means free. Mukt means free. Okay, children, come we'll do the reading practice of these meanings. Okay, children. So, Rajkumar, Prince, Ghani, Dense, Vishram, Rest, Suryast, Sunset, Sundar, Beautiful, Pasand, Desire. Repeat everyone. Adrishya, disappear, shock, hobby, शीतल, cool, अचानक, suddenly, युवती, young girl, शादी, marriage, मंजूर, accept, मुक्त, free. One more time. Rajkumar, Prince, Ghani, dense, Ghani jungle, which means dense forest. Vishram, rest. Suryast, sunset, सुंदर, beautiful, पसंद, desire, अदृश्य, disappear, शौक, हॉबी, शीतल, कूल, अचानक, सडनली, युवती, एंगल, शादी, मैरिज, मंजूर, एक्सेप्ट, मुक्त, फ्री. Okay children, so come we'll see the lesson. सूरज परी पाठ 5. Lesson number 5. सूरज परी. So एक राजकुमार था. There was a prince. देश विदेश में, देश means country, विदेश means abroad. देश विदेश में घूमने का उसे बहुत शौक था. So he was very fond of traveling around the country and abroad. Okay. एक बार वे घोड़े को दौड़ाता हुआ कहीं जा रहा था. Once he was going somewhere while driving a horse. रास्ते में उसे एक खेत दिखाई दिया. So on the way he saw a field. In that उसमें सूरजमुखी के असंख्य फूल खिले हुए थे. So सूरजमुखी फूल means what? Sunflowers. Okay, सूरजमुखी which means sunflowers. So रास्ते में उसे एक खेत दिखाई दिया. So while he is going on the way, he saw a field. So in that उसमें सूरजमुखी के असंख्य फूल खिले हुए थे. So he saw uncountable flowers are sunflowers were bloom. Okay, so he saw in the field uncountable, so many sunflowers are bloom. He saw that thing. Okay children, खेत के किनारे एक बड़ा पेड़ था. So there only there was a big tree on the side of the field of the sunflower. Okay children, so खेत means field. So किनारे means side. खेत के किनारे एक बड़ा पेड़ था. So there was a big tree on the side of the field जिसकी घनी शीतल छाया थी. So which had a thick cool shade is there. घनी which means thick, शीतल which means cool, छाया shade was there. So this prince he is traveling the country and abroad he is traveling. So he got so much tired by seeing that field. After that side of that field one big tree is there, that under the tree it is having the shade. So राजकुमार ने सोचा, at the time the prince was thought, जरा रुक कर विश्राम कर लिया जाए. So he thought to wait and rest. Like that he thought. Who thought? The prince was thought. वे घोड़े से नीचे उतरा. So after that what he did? He got down from the horse और विश्राम करने लगे and started taking rest. Okay, and started taking rest. वे लेटा ही था कि थकावट के कारण उसे नींद आ गई. So he started waiting there, no? So after for some time he was lying. That due to the tiredness he fell asleep. Thakavat means tiredness. Okay children, have you all understood? No? So there was a prince. Actually he is having he is fond of traveling around the country and abroad. So what he did, he was going somewhere while driving a horse. On the way he saw a field in which their uncountable sunflowers were bloom. There was a big tree on the side of that field which had a thick cool shade. So at that time the prince thought to wait and rest. He got down from the horse and started taking rest. So he was lying that due to of his tiredness he fell asleep. Okay children, come we'll see the next paragraph. चलिए हम लोग देखते हैं आगे का, आगे की कहानी. सूर्यास्त होने की तैयारी थी. So it was about to set for sunset. तभी राजकुमार की आंखें खुली. So when the princess eyes were opened. Okay, so the sun is going to set at the time. This prince he fell asleep, no? So immediately he opened his eyes. अचानक सूरजमुखी के खेत से एक सुंदर युवती आती दिखाई दी. Suddenly a beautiful girl appeared from the sunflowers field. Okay, so one beautiful girl was appeared from the sunflower field. वे राजकुमारी की ओर ही आ रही थी. So she was coming to the prince only. Okay children, राजकुमार ने उसका स्वागत किया. At that time this prince he welcomed her. दोनों में बहुत सी बातें हुई. So the prince and the next this girl both of them talked about many things. बातों बातों में राजकुमार ने उस सुंदर युवती से कहा, क्या तुम मुझसे शादी करोगी? So at the time they both are talking with each other, no? At the time suddenly the prince said to the beautiful girl, will you marry me? Like that he was asked. सुंदरी ने राजकुमार की ओर देखते हुए कहा. At the time this beauty looked at the prince and said, राजकुमार, prince, मैं अकेली हूँ. I am alone. अकेली means alone. मैं अकेली हूँ. मैं तुमसे शादी कर सकती हूँ. I can marry you. लेकिन मेरी 3 शर्तें हैं. But I have 3 conditions. शर्त means condition. शर्तें means conditions. Okay. So at the time the prince was proposed to her not to marry. At the time this beauty she said, yes, I am alone. I can marry you, but I am having 3 conditions. Like that the beauty said to the prince. Next, राजकुमार को सुंदरी बहुत पसंद थी. The prince loved the beauty very much. वे बोले, मुझे 3 ही नहीं 300 शर्तें हो तो वे भी मंजूर होगी. So at the time this prince he said that if I have not only 3 but 300 conditions, then that too will be accepted. So not only 3 conditions I am not going to accept. If you are keeping 300 conditions also I am going to accept. Like that this prince was said. Why? Because he is loving that beauty very much. So that's why he told like that. Now we'll see what are the conditions this beauty was set. Okay children, come we'll see the next paragraph. तो सुनो, so listen. मेरी पहली शर्त यह है कि तुम मुझसे शादी करने के बाद अपने राजमहल नहीं लौटोगे. So first condition she said, my first condition is that you will not return to your palace after marrying me. Like that she kept one condition. Remember everyone, first condition she kept, after marrying me you should not return to your palace, you have to be with me only. Like that she kept first condition. Now come we'll see the second condition. दूसरी शर्त, second condition यह है कि, so second condition is that मैं सुबह से शाम तक तुम्हारे साथ नहीं रहूंगी. So The second condition is that I will not be with you from morning till evening. First condition, this prince should not return to the palace. Second condition, this beauty, she was not going to be from morning to evening. थर्ड कंडीशन, तीसरी शर्त यह है कि तुम मुझसे कभी कभी कुछ भी नहीं पूछोगे. So after that she said the third condition is that you will never ask me anything. Okay, so she said third condition is you should not ask anything to me. Like that she said, कहीं भी जाने से मुझे रोकोगे नहीं. In the third condition only she said you will not stop me from going anywhere. Okay, like that three conditions this beauty was kept in front of the prince. कोई भी शर्त टूटी तो मैं सदा के लिए चली जाऊंगी. If any condition is broken, then I will go away forever. Like that, this beauty was said to the prince. Okay, children, have you all understood? Okay, so continuation we'll see in the next session. Okay, so till the time, please do the reading practice of the meanings and start writing the meanings in classwork notebook. Okay, children, don't forget these three conditions. Again, I am going to ask to you. What is the first condition? She kept this beauty. This beauty was kept. The first condition is you should not return to your palace after marrying me. And second condition she kept, I will not be with you from morning till evening. And third condition is that you will never ask me anything. You will not stop me from going anywhere. So if in these three conditions, any condition was broken, na, I will go away forever. Like that, she kept the conditions in front of the prince. After that, what it is going to happen, we'll see in the next session. Okay, children. So complete the classwork notebook of lesson number 5. Only meanings alone, see and write. Okay, children. So in the next session, we'll see the remaining things. Thank you all of you. धन्यवाद बच्चों. हम लोग मिलते हैं अगले सेशन में. तब तक के लिए आप लोग वो जो शब्दार्थ जो है टेक्स्ट बुक के उसके रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. ठीक है. थैंक यू. So just you do the reading practice of these meanings of lesson number 5. Okay, children. Thank you all of you.